So this is the Supernote A5X, and it's brilliant. It's an e-ink tablet, but it feels like it's a moleskine. You know, I started on a bit of a journey with e-ink tablets a little while ago when I was just looking to replace a whole lot of paper on my desk at work and at home. I just feel to be my most productive and creative self, having all that clutter, all of that paper is really not working for me. I love paper, don't get me wrong, I love paper for drawing, I love paper for art, but having endless sheets of A4 paper just wasn't helping me. And actually starting and keeping notebooks wasn't really going the way I wanted it to either, because this e-ink note-taking device means that those notes are always with you and you're still getting that experience like a premium notebook. I was massively excited to receive this device, so thank you very much to Supernote for sending this device out for review. This is going to be my first thoughts on it today, but I have a longer video with all of my thoughts after using it for several weeks as my primary planner and note taker. But I'll let you know in advance, I really love this device. The tagline when you open the box says elegant productivity, and man have they got that right. I mean, right from the pen. This is the Ratta metal pen, this is their premium pen, but they've engraved it for me with my channel name. And most reviews say that their normal standard pen is a really nice feeling pen as well. Looking at reviews, they keep going on about the quality of this pen, and it wasn't until I really held this in my hand and realized, yeah, it does feel like a really premium pen. And when you put that pen to paper, to the pad, it really does feel like a really premium ballpoint. Every time I've given this to someone and asked them to try writing, they've gone, oh wow, that really does feel like a really nice pen. So it seems like a small thing, but this pen is one of the things that makes me absolutely love this. Also, this is the cowhide. I think it's synthetic leather. I'm pretty certain it's synthetic leather, to be honest. This is the cowhide exterior, and the Supernote just clips into place, and it feels like a really attractive, really premium notebook. But the other thing that I'm really keen to try on this, compared to the Remarkable and the paper that I've tried before, is it might just have those few extra features for pros that's going to make this take over their place as my primary e-ink tablet. And they've really thought hard about what features professionals might like. For example, you can actually edit Word documents on this one. They've also thought about adding some third-party apps. You haven't quite got access to all of the Android Play Store, although it is based on Android, but you have got access now to the Kindle app. So they've really thought hard about those extra features that they can give to professionals. You can set up email on here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, the email is not as easy as it could be to set up. That's one thing I think they should work on, because you have to use inputting manually the STMP server and IMAP server, and it's a bit more long-winded than it perhaps could be. But I've got it working and it works really well. And actually writing emails by handwritten notes and sending them through the internet could be a really useful thing. And the thing is, and the one reason to really like this company, is that they are listening to feedback and they're working on feedback very quickly. And so this platform has been improved very rapidly. For example, one of their premium products is the smaller version, the A6X. This is the A5X. The smaller version is the A6X, and that had a really super premium cover with a gorgeous design and the Lamy EMR marker. But the cover itself was actually peeling, and so Supernote wrote to all of the people that had bought theirs, and they shipped them out a brand new cover. Looked exactly the same, but they'd fixed that problem that it had. That tells you loads about this company. They want to work with people, and they want to listen to their customers, and they want to improve. I can't see them having to improve much on this because it's a gorgeous thing. For me, it's not hard to see why shortly after this release of this product, they actually went back into pre-order because the demand was so high for it. It's a really nice tablet, and I really think that they've got something right here. It doesn't feel like pencil and paper, it feels like a really premium pen and paper. The screen protector that's on it, that ships on it, you don't have to put it on, has this strange at first seeming texture, and it does feel a little bit at first, a little bit sort of sticky almost on your fingers, but when you first put that ballpoint down onto the paper, you feel how it indents like paper. And in fact, what's going on that screen protector is it's actually making a slight indent with this ceramic nib of the hard metal pen. And that means you get that touch, that softness that you would get putting a real ballpoint onto some premium paper. And actually, I like that so much that I think they should look into actually selling screen protectors for other devices to go with this pen, because you can't use this pen with this ceramic hard nib on other e-ink devices. Not that it wouldn't register, but actually it would scratch into the surface. So Supernote, little tip, maybe a little idea for the future. If you could actually produce your screen protectors, I'd, for instance, put one of these screen protectors on my S21 Ultra, or maybe onto a drawing tablet. And actually that could be a really nice thing, a really nice avenue to sell this wonderful technology that feels like no other, that feels more premium than most other stylus inputs I've used. So fantastic job, what a wonderful device this is. I'm going to really enjoy using this as my weekly planner for a couple of weeks. I'm going to give it a thorough test out, and I'll be back with a longer form video where I actually explain what I think are the pros and cons, the evaluation of this, the Supernote A5X. Thanks a lot for watching.